Let's take a closer look at this House Day makeup drawer organizer trays. Boy, if you would have seen this before I put these trays in, it was one big piled mess. Now, these trays come in several different sizes. Now, this one is the larger. I call this large. These are long and narrow, and then these are the shorter ones. And they even have another size, but I didn't use them in my makeup drawer, but let me show you with the size. I have those in my other drawers. These are my USB connectors, and these are some paper clips. They didn't all fit here because I did purchase the 24 pieces, but as you can see, look how organized everything is. I am so happy that I purchased these because now when I sit at my vanity, I just open the drawer. Everything is right in front of me and it's so organized. So if you are looking to get your makeup organized, please try the House Day makeup drawer organizer trays because I guarantee you will not be disappointed and it will keep you organized.